Hello, testing. I don't think I've ever had my whole PC crash like that before. Wow, that was scary. I deeply apologize for that. Um, YouTube, are we good? Um, wow, wow, wow. Let me get some music on. Let's see what we got. I think this is fine. Is this non-copyright? Hang on. Yes, okay. Oof. Um, my whole thing, the question of doom. One of the viewers asked a question, and yep, after that it was over. My whole PC decided to. My whole PC decided it didn't wanna live anymore. I had to restart my entire system. It's because I was talking about it earlier about needing to replace it. PC, I apologize. I didn't mean it. I'll keep you around for as long as humanly possible. Okay. Um. Jeez. Okay. How do I handle this now? Um. Slightly annoying how that happened. Um. But I think I'm just gonna name the first stream to part one, this one's part two, and keep it going. Mega Chilik, welcome back in. Thanks for sticking around in these trying times. I'm trying to. There we go. I need to refresh my YouTube studio because I need to re-enter some tags. I don't know what the tags do. I'm just gonna put them in. Okay. Did I name the stream part two? No, I did not. Let's try that. Save. Okay. Part two. Hopefully there won't be a part three today. But okay, so I've learned something new. Um don't don't try and search things up on the PC while streaming and having browser open and okay. C sharp. Save. Okay, that's done. Let's close the browser before bad things happen. Ooh. Okay. Let me open up everything. Okay, mic's working, music's working. Right, PC is back alive. Scenes backups from previous edit session. Oh, shoot. Lost in progress looks like. Wow. Okay. What were we doing last time? You asked me something, right? Is it better to make, I'm gonna search on my phone this time. Let's not make the same mistake. Um, when should I make animations in Blender or Unity? I worded that very badly. So complex character creations, 3D models, and cinematic scenes in Blender use Unity for simple in-game interactions, adjusting timing and animating engine-specific properties. Yeah, so with the animator in Unity, you can change anything, and that's to do with the game object. So whether it's visible, the rotation, position, like I showed you, even lighting, you can turn lights on and off. It's very useful for stripes because you can change the color with the animator if you want to, for example. So the more complex it is, the more recommended it is to do in Blender, basically. But in saying that, I think, and then, yeah, and I think simple stuff you don't want to do in Blender because that just adds And it's hard to use as it is. Okay. Oh look, my cube is still here. Let me get Unity open for you. Okay. But saying that I do need to use the restroom. Um. So I will be right back. Let me quickly fix up. So when there's an autosave, if Unity crashes and there's an autosave available, it will make this recovery folder. So I am going to name this. Yeah, so it opens. Wait, I swear this is older. I got a notification on my phone. Bring the Remax format. Uh-oh. Good thing progress survived. I was scared for a moment. Yeah, I mean I wouldn't have lost anything too much anything too much. No, I'm gonna I'm gonna quit there. Let's just see. I don't think this recovery. I think this recovery is actually older. Wait, hang on. Where's my cube? Yeah, no, this is older. So main scene. Don't save this. Here's my cube. All right, and I'm gonna delete the recovery. Okay, I think that was the right thing to do. I don't know. I don't think I lost too much progress. Yeah, this cube is the last thing I do. Although it's not really a cube, it's a rectangular prism. So I'm gonna head to the restroom because it's getting a bit desperate over here. I'll be right back, as the word suggests on your screen. You know, sorry, I jump scared. Yeah, the smart thing to do would have been to maybe use the restroom before starting the stream up again. But I wanted to get it back up as soon as possible. So yeah, so the knife cuts here. Let's actually test if that's true. Um, I mean, I don't. I guess I'll put a strawberry there and check. This should make the actual animations a lot easier to do. Then I can just remove the cube when I'm done here. Okay, let me just make sure that I have the limiters on for the browser. Oh my gosh. I have a CPU limiter on, right? But guess what the limit is? 100%, guys. Wow, that's so helpful. No. And my network limit is at 25 megabytes per second. That's also terrible. Oh, okay, so I need to set that every time. The RAM limiter is at 1.5, so that's fine. That's why that's why I lost everything. Gosh, yeah. That's wow. Why is the default 100% limiter? Okay, let's grab a strawberry. That's pretty dead on. I think it's a bit to the right, but now that I know, actually I could probably just move it without too much issues. Beep. Cool. Oh, okay, now what was that? Now my PC is beeping. Caps lock, I think. Right. Let's move cube up here. Okay, back to animating. Everything's fine on Steam. I think so. I think I might be able to increase the bitrate that I'm streaming in. Bitrate affects the quality of the visual quality of the stream. But I don't know what effect that has because I am using up 94% of my memory. Okay, wow. That's quite that's wow. Okay, maybe not. I have 16 gigabytes RAM right now, so that's a bit sketchy. And I'm using DDR4. Okay, let's get back into what I was doing. So cantaloupe is fine. Let me check the cantaloupe animations, make sure I didn't lose anything there. Let's grab you. Stream is crisp enough and you don't do anything that active on the screen, so you can lower bitrate probably. Okay, I think 9,000 is the minimum I can probably do for 180p. I have it at 10,000 right now, so thanks for letting me know. I might decrease that because looks like I need everything. My knife, knife. Why are you not doing the thing, knife? No, no, please, 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 don't do this to me. Why is the knife there? Is it because? Oh, I know why. I know why. I know why. I opened Visual Studio and nothing crashed. Please. My memory usage is gonna go to 100%. You know what I should do? Instead of having a browser open, I should record all of the music so that it's just a video. I just need to play a video. So now opening Visual Studio is gonna eat even more memory. Yeah, I'm at 96, 97%. Yeah, Unity is using the most though. Okay, we're good. I'm a bit on edge right now. I don't want that to happen again. Okay, I know why. It's because I changed the order of the hierarchy. So if I just move this back down, it should be fine. How much is OBS using memory? Not that much. It's just Unity that's eating everything. Okay, let's grab you. Chop. How much of RAM do you have total? 16 gigabytes. Oh, that's our thingy. Console menu. Cool thing we can do, by the way. I can say player speed. Oh wait, I probably need to exit the minigame out. Am I? Are we seeing this right now? Are we seeing this? Um, hmm, hmm. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Okay, wait, there we go. Oh, oh, I changed the wrong window. Sorry, wait. Forget you saw that. Forget you saw that. There we go. Nice transition. It's tough for 2026, especially when most doesn't. Yeah, I know, and I have DDR4. So yeah, I'm struggling a bit here. I can't even get more RAM. You know the story. Maybe I should just pop some DDR4s in here at this point, because I'm gonna start. Should I just do that? I don't really need to upgrade the whole system. I don't know. I wanted to get a whole new PC with like new CPU, new graphics card, new everything. Especially since the one I have now. Actually, no, you're a beautiful PC. You're perfect. I'm not gonna say anything bad about it now. It's listening. Um, but yeah, maybe I should just pop some new DDR4 RAM in here. Okay, so we got this open. What did I come here for? Right, so the knife is chopping while I'm outside the minigame, which is not supposed to happen. Let's just see here. Exit minigame. I mean, this is supposed to solve that. Main camera. Interact left. Oh, it's different. Shoot, that's why. Okay, that should solve that. Waiting for it to load. Okay, let's see. Let's hop in and out of the minigame and see if that still happens. But I think I fixed that. Okay, so exit and then let's try to cut. Doesn't work. Cool. And I can even hop back into the minigames without any issues. Right, so now let's fix up the animation. This is not right. There we go. Okay, so here I need, yeah, preview. Where's my little cube? Oh, the cube is kind of hiding. Yeah, there's it. Let's make it longer. That should solve that issue. Okay, so now, where will the first piece be? There. So what I can do is just select these two, move it so that the piece is in line, hide this. Kind of skew, ain't it? It's a bit skew. Yeah, it is. Maybe just rotate it. Shouldn't cause too much issues if it's a small rotation. Okay, but now it is pushing into here. Okay, got it. Now what we'll do, we'll move 17. Is this still in physics? Would this still fall off the chopping record? Or is enough of the cam to look on? I think it's fine. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah. I think this is better. Now go to 75. Record. Just need to move it. Okay, and then you. Oh, right, rotation. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Yeah, I did. Okay. Fine, just Control Z. Now move to 80, then move this one. Okay, I think that's fine. Yep, I think the animation is done again for like third time. Okay. And now when we test out this animation, it should be in the right spot. Okay. That little block is saving my life. It should make things a lot easier. Chop and chop. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Let's move on. Finally. $17. Yay, yeah. Whew. Only 18 more animations to do. Oh, excuse me. Yawning. Okay, so what we should do instead, let's change how we do this. Go to 18. Ah, right. I need to move all of them first so that they match. Should be able to do that. But I just need to get this half piece over there for all of these guys. Am I going to be able to... Yeah, now I can copy paste values. Okay, this is easy. That's fine. If I open my balcony door, am I going to get interference? Yeah, it should be fine. Want to get some oxygen in here. Wait, I just need to make sure that this music loops, or the music video loops. Don't want it to take me to a song that's copyrighted. Okay, hope this works. Otherwise, it's gonna be very annoying to sort all of these half pieces out. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I don't think we need to worry about this for now. Actually, this one we do, but the rest, no. Let's do all of them, so that's easy to move all the second half pieces. Am I gonna be able to copy paste it again? No, I won't. So this is 3 pieces, and this one's only 2. Yeah. So, manually. Oh, hard to tell which side I need. Oh no, this side, because you can see the pieces are here. So Okay, looking a bit off though. There. Since it's a minigame, what conditions to win will there be, or there won't, or will there not be any challenge? So I feel like if there, how do I put this? There's no win condition. You're literally just cutting a fruit. I feel like it's gonna be dumb if there's a win condition. Um, but my thoughts is, and it can be removed. Maybe it's just gonna be a cutting thing. Um, is there's gonna be accuracy? So there is gonna be a timing thing. So if this, for example, if this thing holder is a bar, you're gonna get a random point. So pretend this third egg is the point, and then the bar is gonna move, or point is gonna move from left to right like this, and then you have to click on time. That affects your accuracy, and then I'm thinking that will affect the cost. So you know how when you have like a cake, right? You get pieces of fruit in cake. I don't think I've ever had that before. But you're having some kind of dessert with pieces of fruit in it. You don't want there to be big chunks of fruit on the left side of the dessert and then tiny chunks in the right side. So I'm thinking that if you get it all accurate, then your meal is slightly more expensive. Might just remove that and have a basic cutting minigame where you can miss. If you miss, then you just cut again. And once you're done, put all the pieces of fruit into the pot or mixing bowl. So I explained that pretty badly, but yeah. Mm, where was I with this? I think this is fine now. Don't worry, got it. Okay, cool. Okay, this needs to be risen. The rotation slightly off. Yeah, the cantaloupe, it's very easy to tell when the rotation is different. I feel like that's okay. I mean, this is spot on, but that's because I copy pasted stuff. Honestly, maybe if I just move it down a little. The tiny change. I mean, it just matters how it looks from this angle, right? Yeah, you can barely tell. It's just there, but the shading is different. Okay. Right, and if I spend that much time on every single uh cantaloupe prefab, I'm gonna be in trouble. Whoa, 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 stop. I've seen bigger games care less about those details, so it's alright for my taste. Um, yeah, I guess it depends. I'm trying to think about how the price of your meal will be affected. Obviously, like the amount of time you cook things for will affect it as well. That's pretty that's a good way to do it. Um, So yeah, this might be a case of this. You just click a button at the right time to progress. Um, Gosh, imagine imagine we bring the horror. I don't know if you know about this, but for a Halloween update, we added like a horror mini game where I didn't really play it myself because back then I wasn't part of development, and when I found that thing, that Easter egg, and everything changed, I just took my headset off because I was wearing VR and I just walked away. I wasn't doing any of that. But what if what if I suddenly turn this into you have to cut fruit properly to not die? Otherwise the monster's gonna get you. I don't know. That would be silly. Yeah. So the whole accuracy thing might be a bit much for cutting fruit. It's not a rhythm game. I have it. Like I said yesterday, it's there, so rather have it than not. Or why not? Just that it's there. Yeah. I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay, and then down. So, oh, what the? Oh wow, I think that's perfect. Well, almost. I mean, that's pretty good. Okay, next. So now I can disable this, activate this. Do the same thing again. Something I learned about game development is sometimes, not all the time, there's a lot of repetition. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it now. Ultimate problems is not the most invigorating task. Mm, Notifications off. Wait, something's not right here. Oh, it's probably not. Yeah, I just need to rotate it this way. Still wrong. Oh, okay, wait, this one is giving me trouble. What? Why? Couldn't they just be the same thing? It is a bit jagged here, but that's because of the pieces. Um, am I being dumb? Okay, I think that's fine now. Okay. Let's see how it looks from the camera view. Okay. Whoops. Oh, that's fine. I just feel like it needs to move a bit towards us. Maybe it's too forward. Oh, wait, other way around. Whoopsies. Okay. I think that's fine. If I can see the difference in OBS, then it's not fine. I can't. Okay. Oh my word, so many. I feel like I should talk about something. Deltarune, anyone saying Deltarune looks hella convoluted, so much of tweaking stuff manually. Not convoluted, just very what's the word, menial? Very tedious. There's the word I'm looking for. What games we playing this? Deltarune, GTA, very two different games. Two very different games. Except for whatever right over there. Here's a good point. The GTA pre-orders came out. I didn't bother. I'm not. I don't know. Should I bother with GTA? I'm not that interested in GTA. It's only the most anticipated game of like all time. But no, I'm not that that interested. Maybe I'll get it, but don't know whether I'm ready to drop like $80. Oh wait, I can copy paste. What am I doing? A lot of people are not happy that there's no digital version. Oh, there's no physical version. Sorry, physical copy. Okay, that's fine. See, this half is easy. It's this guy that's very annoying. And you can see here we're only halfway done with well, quarter with the whole fruit. But once it's done, it's done. Don't have to worry about it again. If I did play GTA actually, it's probably just to play with like people. I don't know if they have a really good story, which I don't think that's the main focus, but I don't know. I didn't get pre-order since I only have a PC and no console, so I'm looking forward to content made about the game. That's true. That's gonna be fun to watch. Um, I don't know if you watch Sidemen, but let's see. I don't know. I haven't watched Sidemen in a long time. I don't know if they still do more Sidemen content. I think they do. But I wonder if they'll hop back on GTA 6 minus KSI because he decided to up and leave. Content will be fun. And that I will watch. Probably. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. Wow, I might have just have done that. I'm a very I care a lot about story in games. So I think that's kind of one of the reasons I didn't get very involved. Actually, I don't know what the GTA story is like. I have no idea. The GTA 5, I mean. I mean, who knows? Maybe it was very good and I just don't know. That's pretty good. Okay, next. Yeah, I'm also playing indie. I'm trying to avoid AAA games because they always tend to disappoint me. I'm not saying that GTA is gonna disappoint. Um, see, yeah, I don't know when the last time I played a AAA game was. Um, in fact, now I'm playing rhythm games. Well, not rhythm games, just a rhythm game. I don't have much time to play games nowadays. Because I'm working on my own project along with this one. So I just spend like an hour a day just like getting good at that rhythm game. I want to enter tournaments and stuff for it, but I'm nowhere close to that level yet. Mhm. Wow, I missed the mark on that one a little bit. Playing GTA 5 single player felt like a chore, but story is kind of good. Yeah, see, that's what I figured. I feel like it's a very social game. Like, you want to play with other people. Also, I'm gonna move my chat to the left so I'm more likely to see when there's a new message. Go. That's better. Okay, that's done. Let's see how that looks. Hmm. Like my brother, he actually I don't know. I think he played some single player. He actually got me to do preparation for heist one or two times. That's like my only experience with GTA ever, other than watching content. Um, yeah, I don't know. GTA 6. Yeah, so it's not you can't pre-order on PC, I think, based on what you said. I don't know. It's just a lot of money to drop for something I probably maybe won't play that much. And I've been spending a lot of money lately, so okay, this is fine. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, when am I going to move on to the next half? Well, still a bit to go. Maybe let's try this. I know GTA is a game like where you can do pretty much everything, and GTA 6 should have more of that. Or they have locked. I think they've locked one or two stores behind the Ultimate Edition. Online in GTA 5 is good if you manage to make a closed lobby and play with your friends or friend, but it's good for a while. I personally enjoyed, excuse me, I have personally enjoyed BG3 co-op more than GTA 5 online. BG3, what is that? Let me not search on my PC, just in case we have another crash. BG3, BG, BG. Let me see. Oh, Baldur's Gate. How is Baldur's Gate? I've heard about it, but I haven't actually seen anything. Um, I know a few people play it though. In the dev team, I mean. Actually, I don't know. No, I think that is a different game. Okay, let me select these. Why am I sticking my tongue out? It's not like this is hard. I mean, it's annoying, but I wouldn't say it's hard. Oops. Okay. I'm not even sure. Baldur's Gate, is that? No, that's the last one I think. Almost said. Um, hmm, yeah, I don't know anything about that. It's fine to play Baldur's Gate 3 alone, but with really good friends, it might get addicting. Really? Hmm. Yeah. I think if there was. Oh, I loved. If there was any games that I like playing multiplayer or like with friends, Minecraft is of course, Minecraft. It's always fun. Minecraft just got too easy after a while. Like my brother actually said the other day, it's like he said I miss being bad at Minecraft. And there's also the old Call of Duty zombies, Black Ops 2. I mean, that was fun. Man, I was young then. Um, Another day we played COD 3 or Black Ops 3, but I don't need to say how Call of Duty is doing things nowadays. It's kind of sad there's no couch co or games avoid couch co-op now. I don't know why. I think they want you to get your own separate. Or this is why they want you to get your own separate copy of the game. So yeah, if I ever make a multiplayer game, couch co-op is gonna be a thing. I guess it is also kind of hard. No, never mind. Wait, what have I done? Yeah, wait, I nearly messed up there. Um, it's kind of hard on the system when you have couch co-op, but I mean, if all games could do it, like I know with Subnautica 2, avoided split screen because it would have been too much for the system. I saw some some criticisms on Subnautica too. People saying that they had so long to do things, but they so little content. I don't know. I didn't really share that view. Um, I feel like yeah, sure, maybe they could have done a little bit more, but there was a lot for an early access. I feel like 5 years to make game is expected, and I think it's been 3 years since they started working on it. I don't know. Could be seven actually. um, so I expected that amount of content from it. I could be talking about Subnautica to people who are like um it don't really watch or follow it. Okay. How many more? I think just two more hand loops until I think gonna have to work on this half sitting over here. Do this. Star Citizen got over $1 billion and still didn't meet release. Star Citizen. Man, I don't. Someone who spends half his time online, or more than half. I don't know enough games. What is that, Star Citizen? I've heard about it for sure. Ooh, this song's a bit, I was gonna say, hectic, but that's not the right word. Feels like there's a chance I'm gonna enter a fight. The graphics and models are great. Star Citizen. Is this the game no, this isn't. Whoa, this looks cool. It didn't get released, huh? Groundbreaking, AAA game. What's the game I'm thinking about that's kind of like No Man's Sky, but really missed the mark? What was it? Oh, I don't know. Oh, I love No Man's Sky. It's a space exploration game. Didn't say it, but seems cool. A BPPC player. Also, you need a BPPC. AKA not mine. From the sounds of it, your PC is better than mine. I got a GTX 1660 in mine right now. When I built this thing, I was 13. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know who let me make choices. I mean, it's still. I got a very good CPU in here. CPU never gave me any problems. I feel like this needs to rotate a little. It's not right. Move it to the left. 1660 is kind of great, somewhere on par with the 3050. Really? Oh, except it's not an RTX. It just doesn't have ray tracing and other stuff that the RTX has. That's good to know. I remember looking at the prices, and then I had a budget for graphics cards, and then the RTX was over my budget. And the 1660 was in, so I was like, looks like I'm getting the most expensive GTX. And also back then I didn't know the difference between GTX and RTX, other than the number. And then I was like, 1,600 is a lot less than 3,000, but I don't have a choice. If I knew back then, I might have. No, but the RTX was a lot more expensive 6 years ago, because I'm pretty sure that it just came out back then, around then, I think. Okay, let's see here. I think I got it perfect now. We'll see. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, that's basically spot on. Okay. We've been live for, well, I mean, this stream has been live for an hour. It's supposed to be 2 hours, 20 minutes, but we won't talk about that. Okay, I think this is the last cut for this first half. Okay, let's get you. No, wait. By the way, I know the textures. Yeah, what is that, right? What is that? And then it looks a bit funky here, over here. That will be fixed. I just need an interior for the cantaloupe. Yeah, because I mean, I did this. Not the texture. This I just cut the model, and I made the cuts, which messed up the shading. So it needs to be retouched. Whoa, I messed something up. That's not right. Hang on, let's try this again. That's fine. Okay, this last one is not fine. Hello? The Z. There we go. That's better. Okay, let's get you. And then this is one half done. Not for animations, I still need to do the animation. Oh boy. Slightly off. Is this fine? No way, I need to rotate it. Oh my word. There we go. Maybe a little bit more this way. I remember No Man's Sky. We were talking about that earlier. I got it when it came out. My brother was like, hey, check out this cool game. I think you'll like it. And I did for a while. I was very scared most of the time. I was, what, 7? Was I 7? No, I think I was a bit older than that, but I got scared all the time with the big worms freaking flying in the sky while on a green toxic planet and it was dark. That was a bit scary. But as we all know, or anyone who knows about No Man's Sky, the game barely had much to do. I mean, you could fly to every single planet, yeah, but most of the planets were kind of samey. But if there's a game studio, if you ask me which game studio most, picked up the slack, pulled up their socks, I'm gonna have to say Hello Games. The people who made No Man's Sky. they did some magic. Their game is so fun now. There's so much to do. It's like they kind of did what Cyberpunk did, but to the next level in terms of fixing up their game. Yeah, I don't play much No Man's. Oh, I don't play No Man's Sky at all actually nowadays. But not because I don't like it, but because I don't have time. And there's other games I want to play. But I do sometimes have the urge to just hop in every now and then. Okay, that's fine. I think this half is done though. Okay, I think pause there on doing this. Yeah, their story is a bit tragic. Good thing they got redeemed and now beloved. Yeah, wow. Yeah, they started off very rough. I don't know if they had to refund a few people. I know Cyberpunk had to do that, but yeah, man. And now a lot of games are doing this thing where they release the game, it's not finished. I mean, maybe I shouldn't talk. um, a lot of games are live service now. Um, back in the day, back in my day, games were released finished. I think same with Cyberpunk. I don't know if Cyberpunk did it to the same level in terms of just from nothing to everything. Um, but yeah, back in the day, games were released finished, and now it's changed to, and I don't think it's too bad, especially indie games to do this. Um, when it comes to triple games, no, please don't. Please release a full game complete from the get-go. But with like updates for every once in a while. Um, so yeah, a lot of indie games do that now. Actually, I don't know if indie games always did that. I just only was introduced to like the whole indie game concept like 2 years ago. And then I started making my own, and then I joined this project. But I joined this project first, and then started making my own. Okay, so I'm going to go to the bathroom real quick. When I'm back, we're gonna start with the animations again. So yeah, give me a second. Sorry to leave you, but I'll be right back. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back. So, okay, animation. Let's make sure I save. Okay, so 18 is done. I just splashed water all over my face. My word. Hang on, I gotta clean my glasses now. Right, let's see how this looks. That's fine. Okay, then now we can move on to 17. Just sort this out quickly. Position. Okay. This is the one thing I need to do. Yeah. Here, here. Make sure it doesn't loop. Okay, I am gonna quickly pop into the script. Maybe I don't show you this, but yes, I no harm in doing so. Okay, now Unity needs to load. How's my memory usage? Only at 80%. Okay, that's fine. I think when I enter play mode is when it gets a bit sketchy. Okay, so cut number 17. Go to the end of. I don't understand any of those magic code words on the screen anyway. Oh, oh boy, yeah. Don't worry about leaking. No, it's not that. Unity? Oh, I couldn't click anything and I thought it's because Unity froze, but I need to actually click here. Okay. It's not that. I'm allowed to show code. It's no problem with that. It's just, I literally just had to change like 2 letters, so I didn't really think the whole scene change was necessary. But I did it anyway. I mean, it's my code, so. And also we're open source. Otherwise, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be streaming this. So you can find all our everything on our GitHub, all our models, all our, and if you want to take it, I mean, actually no, I think we do have a thing about that. I'll have to check our license. Pretty sure you can't use any of our stuff without crediting. But that means anyone can come and work on the game. But we are looking at getting a different license. We're not looking at, but we discussed it. Okay, so this looks like this. Okay, move on to here. Yeah, a whole lot of legal jargon that I try not to get too involved in. I leave the experts to that stuff who aren't actually experts. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I can get rid of you now. First chop, all that needs to be done is move you a bit. I should. Oh wait, you know what I should do instead? Hang on. No. I'm gonna move this. Where's the second piece? It's there. Can I see that without having... No, I can't really see it. Okay. Let's move this onto the queue. Oh, I can kind of see it. There, like that. Now keep this on. Oops. Oh yeah, no, that was fine. Keep this